Erasers begin with synthetic rubber, delivered in small, uniform pellets.
Pumice powder and sulfur are measured precisely for each batch.
Everything is loaded into a high-intensity internal mixer.
Intense heat and pressure blend the compounds into dough-like consistency.
The heated batch is dropped onto steel tables to cool.
Workers divide the cooled rubber for the next processing stage.
The material is fed into an extruder that shapes it.
Under pressure, it's pushed through a die. It's pushed through a die in continuous strips.
Pink strips emerge and travel through a cooling zone.
A precision cutter slices them into thousands of individual erasers.
They fall in steady rhythm, each one ready for finishing.
Tumbling smooths rough edges and removes any loose material.
Quality control removes any pieces with imperfections or inconsistencies.
Approved erasers are sleeved and packaged on automated lines. From raw rubber to precision tool, erasing mistakes, one mark at a time.